Two essential steps in the research process include compiling sources and assessing their value in supporting your research. Prior to incorporating the sources themselves into a research paper or presentation, it is helpful to compile an annotated bibliography, which is a document in which you list your sources and provide a summary as well as an assessment of the material. This is a typical requirement for classes that end in a research-based assignment. Though it may seem tedious, putting ample time and effort into your annotated bibliography will help you when it comes time to incorporate those sources into your paper or presentation. Taking notes as you read through your sources is an effective way of compiling the information that is required of an annotated bibliography. Some questions to consider when reading through a source are as follows. What key details from the source will be helpful to include in my paper or presentation? What is the source about? If I were to explain the information presented in this source to someone unfamiliar with the topic, how would I summarize the information in a way that is non-technical and easy to understand? Why is this source reliable? How do I plan on using the source? What key information can I include? Where can I include the information? Once you have your information compiled, it is time to format your annotated bibliography. For a more in-depth review of MLA formatting in Google Docs, please refer to my video, MLA Formatting in Google Docs. Write the standard MLA header at the top of the document. Ensure that the font type is Times New Roman, size 12, and the spacing is set to double spaced. The title should be centered and read either Annotated Bibliography or Annotated List of Works Cited. A double space separates the sources and the information within the sources themselves. The sources may be listed either alphabetically by author or title, by date of publication, or by subject. The example provided shows the formatting of an annotated bibliography. Notice how the second line of the citation does not sit uniformly beneath the preceding line. Instead, it is tabbed half an inch from the start of the entry. This is known as a hanging indent. To change the indentation of the second line of a citation for a work, you select Format from the top menu and scroll down to Align and Indent. From there, you select Indentation Options. A window will appear with indentation options. Do not make any changes to the left or right indentations. Instead, select Hanging Indent from the drop-down beneath the text, Special Indent. The hanging indentation will automatically be set to 0.5 inches. Regardless of whether your citation runs one line or two lines, the annotation is tabbed 1 inch to the right beneath the source citation. A useful keyboard shortcut in this instance is Command or Control plus closed bracket. This will tab your writing half an inch to the right and keep the paragraph in line with that tab setting. Repeat these steps for each of your sources. If your annotated bibliography runs more than one page, be sure to add a running header. Hopefully this was helpful and informative. If you have any questions or suggestions, please share them in the comments section below. Thank you and happy writing.